Unraveling Idioms, Stuck in a Swamp. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a commonly used phrase, stuck in a swamp. Whether you've encountered it in a book, heard it in a conversation, or stumbled upon it while watching your favorite show, understanding this idiom will not only boost your language skills but also enrich your comprehension of English cultural nuances. So, let's get started and explore this intriguing expression together. First things first, let's break down what we mean by stuck in a swamp. At face value, this phrase conjures up an image of someone physically trapped in a swampy, muddy area, unable to move freely. Swamps are wetlands that are often difficult to navigate due to their muddy grounds and dense vegetation. However, when used as an idiom, being stuck in a swamp transcends its literal meaning. In a metaphorical sense, stuck in a swamp describes a situation where someone feels trapped or bogged down by difficulties, challenges, or complications, making it hard to progress or move forward. It can apply to various aspects of life, including work, personal projects, emotional states, or relationships. To fully grasp the essence of stuck in a swamp, let's look at some examples. 1. Work-related context. Ever since the new project started, I felt like I'm stuck in a swamp, unable to make any real progress because of constant setbacks. 2. Personal projects. Trying to renovate the house by myself has left me feeling stuck in a swamp. It's taking much longer than I anticipated. 3. Emotional state. After the breakup, Lisa found herself stuck in a swamp of sadness, struggling to find her way back to happiness. 4. Relationships. Their relationship hit a point where both felt they were stuck in a swamp, with the same arguments happening over and over. These examples highlight how the phrase can be applied to describe feeling overwhelmed and immobilized by various situations in life. When using stuck in a swamp in conversation or writing, it's important to ensure that the context is clear to your audience. This idiom works best when describing situations that are stagnant, problematic, and difficult to escape. It's a powerful way to convey the gravity of a situation without a lengthy explanation, allowing you to connect more deeply with your listeners or readers through shared understanding of this imagery. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and usage of stuck in a swamp. Idioms like this one enrich our language, offering vivid ways to express our thoughts and feelings about the complexities of life. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase, helping you to use it confidently in your own conversations and writing. Remember, learning idioms is not only about expanding your vocabulary but also about understanding the culture and nuances of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.